Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and taste the Tony's Chocolonely Dark Milk Pretzel Toffee. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So in this packet is a 180 gram bar of Tony's Chocolonely Dark Milk Pretzel Toffee. And looking at the back of the packet, there is some product information as well as ingredients list and nutritional information. And now let's go ahead and open up the packet by peeling open the paper wrapper that's keeping the packet nicely sealed up. And let's lift the 180 gram bar of chocolate off to the side, and taking a look on the inside of the wrapper, there is some of the background and history about the company and its mission. Okay, and bringing the tin-foiled chocolate bar back in view and giving you an all-round look of this 180 gram bar of chocolate, and giving you some sense of the size of this bar in my hand for some scale and perspective. And now let's go ahead and peel open the foil wrapper. And just looking for the edge to peel it back from. But maybe perhaps let's just tear it open so we can have a quicker look at this dark milk chocolate bar with pretzel and toffee. So just giving you a nice full view of the back of the chocolate. You can see that there are uneven texture at the back or base of the chocolate bar, and we can see that it's somewhat broken already. And taking a look at the top side, we can see that it is shaped or molded with uneven pieces or segments with a very irregular design. So giving you a close-up look at the complete 180 gram bar of chocolate, and taking a look at this convenient cross section, we can see pieces of pretzel as well as the toffee pieces, and you can see just how chunky the chocolate bar is. And of course the Tony's Chocolonely branding and the anti-slavery symbol. So giving you once again some idea of this chunky bar of chocolate weighing 180 grams. And now let's go ahead and break a smaller piece off from this already broken section and taste it. So let's snap it off. And you can hear just how crisp and loud that break was. Now I might have to break this section off into a smaller piece. And let's pop the smaller piece in my mouth and taste it. So taste-wise, it has a very strong milky, dark taste with both a hint of dark as well as a hint of the milk chocolate. And in terms of texture, that small piece didn't contain too many pieces of pretzel or toffee, so let's try this piece. So once again, flavor-wise, it has a balanced flavor of dark and milk with a somewhat gooey, creamy texture to the chocolate. And of course, with the pretzel pieces in there, very mild tasting, just there really for the texture. And the toffee pieces also very mild tasting without having an overpowering flavor or taste. So overall, quite balanced. So the bulk of it is mainly flavor from the combination of the milk and slightly darker cocoa content in the chocolate. So that's the Tony's Chocolonely Dark Milk Pretzel Toffee. Thanks for watching and happy eating.